Welcome back to howtoav.tv. We're counting down to ISE 2017, the world's biggest professional audio-visual show, to talk about the amazing training that's going to be going on throughout the week.
Hey, my name's Tom. I'm a Senior Applications Engineer here at Shure UK.
So Tom, if you could explain to us first of all, what are the challenges of meeting rooms and the acoustics?
The challenge really is just natural meeting room behaviour. In a typical AV environment, the users in that rooms are not trained to use microphones properly. They just expect microphones to just work. We know we have to have a microphone in front of us and keep a nice distance from it and talk into the microphone directly and not put binders or laptops on or in front of the microphones. So we started to develop some steerable technology that allows us to place microphones in better areas, i.e. on the table and also up in the ceiling as well.
Steerable microphone technology. Tell us all about it.
It works by having a number of microphone capsules within a microphone, and then by using clever DSP technology built by people way more smart than me, we're able to actually beamform and create lobes around a room. For example, you might have a cardioid polar pattern pointing at 12 o'clock, and then in 15-degree increments you can steer that around the room to pick up different people without changing any of the hardware aspects at all. The same is true for the ceiling array. There's a number of microphone capsules inside of that, and they all pick up the same sound in the room, but it's down to the processing that happens in the clever microphone that means we can start to form beams or pockets of sound, if you like, to create pickup areas throughout a boardroom.
So steerable microphone technology is about hardware and software. Tell us more about the entire system.
That's right, so there's a web browser which is served up as in a GUI by the actual microphone itself. There's only one connector on the microphone, i.e. an RJ45 network cable, which provides the power, the control, and also the user control interface for the microphone too. So embedded software on the microphone and processing in the microphone as well, which on all that audio can be routed via Dante to the next device in the audio chain.
And of course the benefit of steerable microphone technology isn't just about picking up sound, it's about zoning out ambient noise as well.
Yeah, that's right. Particularly with the MXA310, the table array microphone, the engineers at Shure developed a new polar pattern called a toroid pattern. This picks up sound in 360 degrees around a table but has a null in the top of the microphone. It could be a bit like the shape of a ring donut. The idea of this polar pattern is to reduce the amount of overhead noise, particularly from HVAC, like air conditioning and projector fan noise that are often placed directly above a microphone.
And who's the seminar aimed at? Who really must be at your seminar, Tom?
This is primarily for designers and also engineers. However, if a keen end user wished to attend, then they'd be more than welcome.
And also probably useful for architects as well.
Yeah, I think we're seeing a bigger interaction between the AV industry and architects now. I think with the ease of sharing information amongst more people more quickly and more readily, there's a lot that we can start to talk to architects about fundamentally how to shape a room to make it better for communication or better for sound in general, as well as interior designers as well, so that they can better understand the needs of these communication rooms as well, so they're not hopefully too reverberant. Essentially, we're trying to make sure that people understand the issue, know what's out there, and then lastly know how to set it up in the field.